What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, first of all, guys, I apologize. It was a little hectic getting set up for the show today, so I'm not dressed up. But, I did have everything in order. So, let's do it, guys. What's up, Vermaker? You're early today. Yeah, seems like a lot of people are slowly coming in. But looks like people are starting to come in now. So, what's up, Vermaker? What's up, Zakaria? Appreciate you guys for being here. As always, what's up, Moner? Nice to see you as well. Thank you guys for being here, as always. Okay, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Zakaria, guh? What's guh? What about today is guh? That's not good. Well, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. That is because we had a huge day in the stock market today. You know, what was it? Tuesday was Monday was guh. Tuesday was guh. And, yeah, yesterday and today, we have some really nice bounce. So, yeah, all major indexes in the super green. I'm actually not too sure how crypto did today. Didn't have time to check up on that. But, yeah, we're doing the show from Tendy Town. And, yeah, great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And today we have some news. We got some news about AirBNB and Afghan refugees. We have news. I forget what the news was. We have news about China and Evergrande. Actually, it's pronounced Evergrande, apparently. I've been calling it Evergrande this whole time. But apparently it's Evergrande. Kind of sounds Spanish, you know? I don't know. But, yeah. I thought that was kind of weird. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. So it's Evergrande. So we got an article about that. And we have an article about Twitter and Bitcoin. So, yeah, we got a few articles today. And today, for the analysis, we'll be doing ATER, CEI, Blackberry, BB, TMC, and MRIN. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And we have a few fun Yolos today. Nothing too serious. There weren't that many, but yeah, the Yolos shouldn't take too long. It's just a bunch of general stuff. A lot of lost corn today, so you guys should like that. All right, so it seems like people are starting to come in. What's up, Marvin? The apes led me astray with TMC, verb maker. Damn. Well, that doesn't sound too good. But hope it wasn't too bad for you. That's very unfortunate. Sorry to hear that. But hope you're okay, dude. Hope it wasn't too bad. Zakaria, DATS went to 1052, was like, guh, and then got rejected, and now am in the green, so not guh for now. Yeah, I was reading on the Discord when you made that move at 1010, I think. So, yeah, it looks like you were down about 5% there. Not too bad, but yeah, glad that turned around for you, dude. And yeah, sounds like you had a pretty good day today, so congratulations to you, Zakaria. What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you for being here. As always, what's up, 1010? Appreciate you as well for being here. Yeah, everyone in the house today, so I can already tell it's going to be a great show. Thank you to everyone for being here. The apes always led people astray. Yeah, you know, that's typically how it goes. By the time you see it on Wall Street Bets or Stock Twits, it's probably already over, and you should probably do the opposite. You should probably take the inverse side of what all the apes are screaming to do, and 90% of the time, that's a winning play. I'm being completely serious. That's what I do. Took a 10% loss on Friday, got stopped out. All right, well, that sucks for a maker, but all things considered, that's not too bad, you know? So yeah, sorry to hear that, man, but yeah, you'll live. You know. We got a long time, you know, for the to make your money back. 1018, okay. What's it at now, Zakaria? ATER waiting for your analysis. All right, Monir. Well, it might be maybe half hour to an hour because we got to get through some other stuff first. You know, our daily stock and crypto review and our articles and all that good stuff. So, you know, you're welcome to stick around for that, or I guess you can come back in a little bit or catch the playback. Either way. What's up, Busy Bone? Appreciate you for being here. As always, CEI. Yeah, CEI was a major runner today. Kind of weird because that faded off, and we didn't hear much chatter about that for like a week or something. But today we have some big price action. So yeah, sounds like you were in there. Congratulations to you, Busy Bone. All right, so we got a lot of people in here early. Can already tell this is going to be a great show. Appreciate everyone for being here. So let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay, let's do it. Boom. Okay, so as always, we'll start with my plays today. Yeah, so straight up was a pretty rough day for me. It's been a pretty rough like 2 weeks. I've been getting wrecked. And I guess it balances out because for the past month before that, I've been on an absolute hot streak. But nowadays, you know, recently it seems like everything I go short on just goes mooning, and I'm not exaggerating. Like, it literally everything that I go short on goes up like 50 to 100%. It is absolutely maddening. I don't know what's up. I know what's up, actually. This is what's up. He sold. Pump it. Yeah, so the market makers are just clowning on me. So I'll give myself the clown. But I guess that's how it goes. Can't win them all. And even though I've been, even though I've been taking, they're not like necessarily L's because a lot of the time I have been able to escape, you know, averaging down and diamond rainbow bearing, diamond ballsing. Most of the time I've been able to escape, not all the time though. So it hasn't been like that bad, but in the moment when I'm holding this huge bag, it is very, very upsetting. Anyway, let's get to this. So EEIQ, this one I shorted midday towards the end of the day. This halted. This actually halted 2 times today. The first time it halted to the downside in the morning, and towards close, this halted again to the upside. So I was in there at 860, I believe, and I covered at 820. So I made I think 5% there. I will take it. I wanted 790. Unfortunately, it didn't get there. I just wanted my tendies before the market closed, and it's still not there. So it looks like it's at 810 now, but it looks like I did a pretty good job there. So MRM. So I shorted this one yesterday at the end of the show. If you guys remember, I went live rainbow bearing. I shorted this at like close to 12. It was like 1180 or something was my average. And clown on me and Marvin, we were both in here. Yeah, it went tanking. I had my cover, I had my buy order set to $9. It literally hit 908. It was this close to hitting the cover order. And what happens? It pumps up to, what did it go to? Like 18 or something? Something absolutely nuts. I already forgot the ticker. MRM. Yeah, so it literally went from 9 to 1845. 100%. And luckily for me, I caught this early in the morning. And I was like, oh, hell no. I covered at 1150 for a small gain. I wanted no part of this. And actually, it came back all the way down to 11. But now it's mooning again. Not mooning, but it's recovering. So yeah, pretty disappointed about that. I was this close to getting my fill. And yeah, you already know what's up. He sold. Pump it. Feels like my life has been that meme for the past 2 weeks. But you know, I currently have orders in for MRM. I'm going back. I'm going back for this. I'm not done yet, but it's pulling back in the aftermarket here. Then we have NNVC, which I've been bag holding for like 2 days now. At one point, I was down. I don't even remember, but it was something ridiculous. Like at least 50%. So my average is 480 or 490 or something like that. And this hit like 5 today, so I was almost break even, and it decides to go mooning on me again. But yeah, finishes at 521, so not too bad. I'm still holding the bag a little bit, not too bad. So I'm probably either gonna cover this later on today after the show or tomorrow. But yeah, I'm done with this. I don't want to hold this no more. Then we have RNAS. This damn stock. So yeah, this one I shorted this morning. I said it in Discord. Guys, look at RNAS, RNAZ. It's looking like this is a good short play, and I thought I had a great entry. I shorted at 320. Yeah, 320 this morning, pre-market. So I was in here, all the way down here, 320. And then it goes to 530. Clown on me. Clown on me. But, you know, Rainbow Bear, Diamond Balls, I held it all the way back down. So I'm still holding the bag right now, but I did manage to average down a little bit here. I got some shares. I was thinking about reshorting at like, you know, 450 plus, but I was a little bit too scared. So I opted to hold off, but I did get filled on, about 200 shares here at $4. So yeah. But that's pulling back pretty hard in the aftermarket. So yeah, I was down about 60% on that earlier today. Now I'm only down 10%. So, Rainbow Bear, Diamond Balls. Yep, and it's going timber right now, so all good, all good. And yeah, that's everything I did today. Not too many plays. Literally 3 plays. Or 4 plays, I guess. EEIQ, MRM, NNVC, and RNAZ. So yeah. Wasn't the greatest day for me, unfortunately. Hasn't been the greatest 2 weeks. But it finishes pretty strong. So, you know, in the morning, midday, I was so upset. But, you know, trust the process, Rainbow Bear, Diamond Balls, and it looks like pretty good here. So, very happy. Can't complain. So, yeah, that's what I did today. Small loss. Hope you guys fared better than I did. So, that's how it's like being Diamond Balls. Got DATS at 10.18 for the last short. Went to 10.52. Now came back to 9.90. Kind of satisfying, man. Yeah, Zakaria, like I said, you trust the process. You know it's coming back down eventually. But in the moment, when you're just getting wrecked, you know, when you need some lube for your butthole, it's not fun. It's not fun. So, yeah. But most of the time, as long as you hold, it's coming back down. You just gotta be, you know, a rainbow ape. Super rainbow ape. That's been me all week. He sold, pump it. He bought, dump it. Yeah, I feel you, Marvin. Sometimes it's like that. It just feels like the whole world is conspiring against you. The market makers are conspiring against you. Feels like literally your brokerage is personally sending the hedge funds and the market makers your personal orders, and they're out to get you. I feel you, man. It'd be like that sometimes. What's up, Low Roller? Appreciate you for being here, as always. I'm happy CEI is booming. Do you have a position, Low Roller? Sounds like it, so awesome, dude. Congratulations to you. Yeah, IHT almost jumped in at the close, didn't see any news. Yeah, I called this one out on Discord right before the show ended. Or right before the show started. Damn, it's mooning right now. So good thing I did not go in on that one. Damn, it is mooning. It is mooning. I might have to go for this. Holy crap. Yeah, so I called it out before the market closed, and it had a long halt, and then it halted again, and I was like, you know what, I guess I'm not going for this, because market's closing right now, and good thing I didn't, because it's mooning right now. Let's take a look at that real quick, actually. So, this could be a good play. I don't want to get caught here, though, with my hand in the cookie jar. But let's see here. Sorry, guys. I'm, like, thinking about going Rainbow Bear live here. It's up 65%. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Should I do it? Should I do it? Well, you guys keep an eye on this for me. I guess I'll keep an eye on it too. I don't want to go in right now because it could keep mooning. It looks pretty strong right now, but if this goes high enough, I'll probably jump in here. Team Crawford, lol about MRM. Yeah, I'm glad I can I'm glad my rainbowness entertains you guys. Yeah, it was pretty funny though. I gotta laugh at myself. All this stuff that happens to me. It only happens to me. And of course you guys. Here's a Dogecoin success story. A guy sold his Dogecoin this yesterday link. Oh, that's the one that wasn't working. Alright, Low Roller. Post it again later on when we get to the Yolos. But thanks for that. I'm still holding MRM, going to see if this thing dumps comes Friday. I can't reshort it because there's no shares. Still no available Weeble at the moment, I hope. Yeah, I have my order in right now for 12. I'm trying to reshort at 12. And it's not giving it to me. Unfortunately. So hopefully I get that fill before market closes. But yeah, everyone wants to add on. But no shares right now. But yeah, congratulations to you, Marvin. You had more balls than me today. I saw it approaching 12. I'm like, oh, hell no, I'm out. I told you in Discord, dude, I hope you escaped. This is getting real bad. And yeah, dude, that takes some real diamond balls. Holding holding up 100%. That is nuts. So, yeah, awesome, dude. Glad you, didn't cover for a loss there. But it just makes no sense. Usually the company that got acquired pumps, not the company doing the acquiring. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Very suspicious. But you know what? Nothing makes sense anymore. So, are you surprised? Probably not, right? Twitter accept Bitcoin tips? Yellow Roller. We have an article about that. We'll get to that very soon. What's up, Joe? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Sounds like you did pretty good today, Joe. Sounds like you were printing on DoorDash. And I believe you made some other plays. I can't really remember, but... Yeah, the Discord is really helpful. You know, we can... Someone's texting me. Yeah, we I'm glad we could communicate midday. It's very helpful. So that was a good idea. MRM is going to fill that damn gap. Yeah, eventually. So, yeah, Rainbow Bear Diamond Balls. Not financial advice. 1010. I'm not getting in anything. I don't know why it's mooning. News, a mention by someone important something. Yeah, it's probably some insider stuff going on or dark pool stuff going on. Totally agree. If you don't know the reason behind it, probably a better idea to avoid it. Unless it's like up 100%. Then you short it down. Not financial advice. Busybone. What ticker? What ticker for what? Not sure what you're referring to. Yeah, so this here is, I don't know. It's starting to come down. What do you guys think? Should I go for it? Should I go for it? I don't know. Damn. You know what? I'm not going to go for it. Not yet. Not yet. Because there's no news. This is absurd. This is looking real juicy, though. I don't know. No, I'm not going to go for it. I'm not going to go for it. Resist the FOMO. No FOMO. Not my Asana puts. Right. Asana. Forgot about that. Yeah, you were in that one, too. IHT is super low float. Ripped back in June for no reason. Fell right back down. So, maybe it'll happen again. This might be a good play, but... So, it would gap up. Yeah, so it would be a gap at 5.12. Yeah, I'm going to hold off, see how high this flies. You are celebrating Bitcoin expire tomorrow. You will make a lot of money on options call. You don't have to sell Bitcoin. Good news for you. Yeah, very happy about that. I was getting a little worried, but we did have, the crypto G recently. I mean, that kind of sucks, because ideally, I wanted it to finish at 49K, right below the strike price. This is a little too far down, but hey. I guess, I won on the calls, so can't complain too much, but yeah, I'm probably going to end up selling more calls on that now, because it went down too much. What's up, Mark? Appreciate you for being here, as always. I got my eyes on IHT. I guess I will join you on this one. How else will it pump? All right. Sounds good, Marvin. Yeah, yeah, it's still pumping. Good thing I didn't go for it. Yeah, I love it when we could jump into plays together. When we're rainbow bearing together. Not specifically you, Marvin, but, it feels... It's pretty cool when, us in this community, we make plays together. There's a sense of, camaraderie there. Float is like 3 million on IHT. That's pretty low. That's not much at all. Interesting. Do it. Don't do it. I'll be the party pooper. You're probably right, 1010. I'm not going to do it yet. But I'm watching this. You didn't put sell limit order on Bitcoin at 49K? No, I don't have any orders open right now. I just have my options open, which expire tomorrow. I imagine IHT does have a low float. Look at the borrow rate, 100%. That's pretty scary, 100%. Are there even shares right now? Let me know if there's shares right now. There might not be. Okay. So MRM is below 12 now. Should I reset the order or what? I should have just held, if anything. This is dumb. Yeah, then RNAZ is coming down. RNAZ back to 370. So, yeah, Rainbow Bear Diamond Balls is paying off. 104. Well, that's not any better. But yeah, guys, so that's what I did today. And before we get to our watch list, let's take a look at some aftermarket action here today. You need put sell limit 49K options call tomorrow for safe side in case Bitcoin didn't go up 6K. I'll tell you what, if Bitcoin goes up $6,000 tomorrow, I've seen everything. Highly doubt that. I'm not worried about it, but that would be something. Probably not going to happen, though, so I think I'm okay. No, I'm just going to let it ride. But imagine. Okay, let me refresh this page here. Let's see what's going on in the aftermarket. This looks kind of incorrect. Let me refresh again. Yeah, I don't know. This looks a little incorrect right here. So we might have to come back to this. But I see GLYC. GLYC. That sounds very familiar. GLYC? What is GLYC? Glyco... glycomic, whatever. GYLC. All right, so they had some good PR here. So this hasn't gone up enough for me to take a position yet, so I'll keep an eye on this one. Did Bitcoin went over $6,000 before? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't think so. That would be some major movement there. But I think it has gone up like 25% before. So it's possible. But in terms of like actual numbers, I don't think it's gone up $6,000 before. Okay. I guess we'll give this one more shot. This website's not working right now. Market Chameleon. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll have to watch GL, YC, and IHT. See how this goes in the aftermarket here. Okay. So let's run through the watch list now. NNVC down to 520. Nice. Okay. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. All right. So the Dow Jones finishes up 1.48% today. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.92%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 1.21%. Yep, great day today. I see a lot of green here, so let's take a look. All right, what's going on? So it looks like the airlines are up today. The travel stocks, so probably airlines and cruises doing well today. Got AirBNB up 3.04%, and we have an article about that, so we'll get to that very shortly. Might have to do something with this run today. AMD up 1.7%. Then we got ATER down 28.23%. Nasty, and it's still pulling back in the aftermarket, and we'll discuss this one first today. American Express is up 3.5%. The hell's going on there? Actually, it looks like all the banks are doing pretty well today, all the financials. Got American Express and Bank of America doing pretty well here, so probably JP Morgan and Wells Fargo and all of those other banks are doing well also. All right, what else we got here? Yeah, Carnival Cruise Lines are up, so airlines and cruises up today. Got Clover up 0.25%. So, yeah, on a major day like this, Clover is sideways, of course. Coinbase down 1.8%. CRM, Salesforce, that's up 7.21%. Very nice. Yeah, Delta Airlines up. Got Didi up 2.76%. That seems to be catching some support. What else we got here? Got Ford up 3.63%. That's pretty interesting because I did see something like this chip shortage is still affecting these car manufacturers. So I don't know why it's going up, but hey, nothing makes sense anymore. What else we got here? We got Fisker. So Fisker's an EV company, and I don't know why more people don't like this one. I mean, I don't like it, but you know, people go for Nikola and Lordstown Motors and all this other stuff, Lucid, but no one cares about Fisker. Pretty interesting. GM up 2.24%. So yeah, car manufacturers up today. GME up 5.8%. And whoa, GREE. I didn't even see this, but GREE is down 12.68% today. Let's look at that graph real quick. What the hell's going on with this stock? I should have shorted. Oh my god, look at this. From 60 to 25. in, what, a week? 2 weeks or something like that? How disgusting. And it still has a major gap to fill. This has to come back down to 1150 to fill this gap, so... Yeah, this is pretty nasty. What the hell's going on here? Good. MRM continues its decent downward trend. Tendy Town. I love it. Well, that's good. I don't think I'm going to get my shares, though. Maybe later. I've been trying all day. Haven't gotten any fills. But, I'm being a little selfish. I kind of want it to stay up so I can get in, then it can tank. But anyway, let's get back to this. Mega Go. Yeah, damn right. BitConnect, actually. Alright, we got Robinhood down 2%. Yeah, JetBlue's up. Jumia, 4.28%. Yeah, JP Morgan up 3.38%. So, yeah, like I said, banks doing really well today. What else we got here? Marathon up 5.6%. Very nice. MMAT is up 3.12%. And Moderna is up 3.15%. Moderna's pushing, it's over 450 again. So that stock is recovering. Microvision up 2.57%. Norwegian Cruise is up. Novavax is up almost 11%. Hell's going on there? I swear, these vaccine plays are ridiculous. And, like, everything is a vaccine play now. You know, all these apes are like, oh, vaccine play? I'm in. And then this stuff just is a straight pump and dump. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, all these vaccine biotech stocks is getting way out of hand. Like, it seems like there's hundreds of them now. Not literally hundreds, but, you know. There's all these vaccine companies where it's like you've never even heard of them before. And everyone's trying to get FDA approval and stuff. And guess what? Probably none of them are going to get it, for the most part. Anyway, moving on. Nvidia's up 2.74%. Very nice. Oxygen up 1.47%. Palantir did really, really well today. It pulled back a lot, but still up 4.87% today. Very nice. Got PayPal up 2.48%. And what's going on with Ride? Lordstown Motors is up 8.63%. I don't know. Beats me why people are still buying this stock. Riot up 2.3%. Got Roku up 3%. What else we got here? Virgin Galactic up 1.25%. Tilray up 3.35%. Looks like cannabis is doing well today. I remember someone asked in the Discord about Tilray today, and I said 12 looks like a decent entry for a day trade. And it finishes at 12. What else we got here? Tesla's pretty sideways. Twitter up 3.8% today, and we have some news on that. Maybe that has something to do with the gain today. But yeah, big day for Twitter. Visa is also up, so yeah, financials up. Wow, Viacom did pretty good today, up 2.19%. But I bought into this at like 40, way back when Archegos happened, months ago, like literally 6 months ago, and it hasn't moved at all. I don't know. These damn stocks, clown on me. All right, anything else here? Wish is up 3.81%. Very nice. I mean, much needed. And XCLA is up 6.47% today. So yeah, that's been down a lot, but seems like it's catching some support here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, great day for the stock market today. I see a lot of green, not too much red. The stuff that is red seems like it's the meme stocks. So, yeah, I actually made a small loss today. I took a small loss today. So, I hope you guys printed the attendees. I hope you guys did better than I did. GREE is putting the 3.5 mil shares into the market that they announced on Friday. Probably going to continue to bleed. So, they're diluting? I didn't even know they announced an offering or, diluting shares or whatever. So, yeah, that's pretty nasty. It's probably coming back to 1150 to fill the gap. So, yeah, the apes got screwed on that one. It kind of seems like whenever, whenever the apes like a meme stock and then it turns into a new meme stock, it like merges or rebrands or whatever, it's just straight rug pull. So, on the next meme stock that is going to merge with another company, might want to go short there. Not financial advice, but I'm going to consider that. I was thinking the same thing. I should short GREE, but I'm like, it's too late now. I don't think it's going lower than this. And next thing you know, it's down 10%. Wow. Yeah, Marvin. And I remember you covered, back when it was support, when it went mooning. So, damn, imagine if you were still holding. Yeah, like I said, it's coming down eventually if you had the balls for it. So, yeah, if you held through that squeeze, you would have been printing attendees right now. So, yeah. Buy low, sell high, right? Or sell low, buy high. In this case. There's so many EV car manufacturers, there's no way they all make it. Support apes got killed with that GREE merger, man. I saw some bad loss corn with a P with that ticker. On Wall Street Bets, yeah. Yeah, like I just said, all these mergers, well, I say all these mergers, but the only one I'm thinking about is MMAT. Yeah. It kind of seems like a trap from the beginning. So, yeah, very unfortunate to all the apes who lost money, but you got to learn somehow, right? What's up, Chase? Appreciate you for being here, as always. HIT back down. What's it at now? Yeah, it's back to 5. So maybe I should have went for 6, huh? Well. Yeah, see, I was thinking about going for it at like 6. And it goes timber, so. Yeah, it could have been some easy tendies there. Oh well, I didn't feel too comfortable with this one. My favorites are Tesla, Polestar, Lucid, now that I'm a Lucid ape. Not Nikola, not Ride, not Lordstown Motors. No, I'm totally kidding. Okay, so yeah, that's the stock market for today. NNVC back to 510. Let's go. Maybe I can get a fill at 5, please. And RNAZ holding pretty steady. All right, so that is the stock market for today. Let's do crypto now. Zakari, I didn't go for it. No, I didn't go for it. I thought it was going higher. I should have went for it. Yeah, it would have been an easy like 10 to 20% right here. But yeah, I thought it was going higher. See, this is what happens when you get wrecked. For 2 weeks in a row, you lose your confidence, and it's like, I think it's going higher. This is a play I would normally make, easy. But, the past 2 weeks, everything I short goes up 100%, literally. So I'm looking at this here like, if I short now, I already know it's going up 50%. So maybe I should just wait. No, it's going timber. So yeah, it's looking like it's going to pull back to this gap here, 430. Or maybe it's just cup and handling right now. But yeah, I didn't go for it. So yeah, missed opportunity, but hey, it's better than a loss. Ty, it takes time to grow rainbow balls, but you live and learn. Yeah, it does take time. Took me a while, but yeah. As long as you hold, it's coming down eventually. So, and I'm not saying that Rainbow Balls is the best play all the time. Like, sometimes you should cover when the thing is going nuts on you. But yeah, we've seen over and over again. When something is squeezing, it's coming back down eventually, if you can withstand the pain. Alright, let's get to crypto, guys. 1 second. So it looks like MRIN is also mooning right now. I don't know why. Interesting. Alright. But I'm holding MRM. It's coming down. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, that took some pretty big balls there, but hey, congratulations, man. It's working out. And yeah, I should have held too, because now I would have been up. But now I'm just trying to get shares again. So clown on me. Out of DATS for a gain there. Awesome, Zakaria. Congratulations to you. You are printing today. Okay, so here is crypto. That is up 2.75% today. So, yeah, all around pretty nice day. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Looks like a lot of green, but not too much price action. But hey, still good. So Bitcoin is up 2.62%. That's pushing 45K again. Ether up 3.5%. That is pushing 3,200 again. Cardano up 0.56%. Binance up 1.25%. Solana up 1%. Polkadot up 4.27%. Dogecoin's actually down a little bit, 1.3%. Yeah, Terra up over 10%. Algorand 7.6%. Chainlink 4.66%. So yeah, looks like pretty good day here. You know, nothing too crazy, but there is a lot of green. I don't see too much price action though. Let's check out. Let's go down the list here. So Near Protocol is the biggest. So there's not too many things in the double digits today. Only a handful of things, about like 10 or something, maybe less than that. So yeah, not too much price action, but fortunately, most of the cryptos are up today. So can't complain at all. Let's take a look at the red. All right, so here's the red. Yeah, there's literally like 7 coins in the red today. Well, a little more. Maybe like 15. But yeah, so here's the red. Not too many things in the double digits here. This is a little messed up. Yeah, this is, coin market cap's a little messed up right now. But yeah, not too much red, and the stuff that is red isn't down that much. There aren't too many double digit losers. So yeah, overall, pretty good day for crypto. I don't think anyone is complaining. So hope you guys printed in the crypto market today. All right, so yeah, that is crypto. And now let's move on to some articles. We have 3 articles today. 3 short articles. So let's do it. 1 second, guys. Let me pull it up. Sorry, guys. I was just responding to a text there. My bad. All right. And we have our first siren of the day. Discord. Birdmaker, are you in the Discord? I don't think you are. Or if you are, I don't know which name you go by. Yeah, I think most of the people... I don't know most of who's in the Discord. Because, you know, the names are different. My apologies about the siren, guys. Gonna talk over it. Yeah, there's a few names that I'm not really sure who is who in Discord. Like, let's see here. Like, I don't know who... Oops. I don't know who BBIG Gator is. I don't know who GB is. Gravaga, Greek Freak, HDH, SJSB, Hellfire. JBC. And Yersir. I have no idea who these people are. So, yeah, still figuring it out. But yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, you guys are welcome to. The link is in the description. It's very helpful. You know, we joke around and tell each other the plays for the day. So, yeah, link in the description. Okay, so we got 3 articles today. One about China and Evergrande, and one about AirBNB, and one about Bitcoin and Twitter. So these are all pretty short, so let's do it. Watching VTV to get over 230. VTV. I don't know what that is. Oh, Vanguard. Vanguard ETF. Okay, yeah, so there's not too much price action on this one. Are we talking about the same thing? I don't know if we're talking about the same thing, Team Crawford. Yeah, I don't know if this is the same one. Anyway. Alright, so let's do it, guys. Let's read here. China asks local officials to prepare for possible storm if Evergrande fails, Wall Street Journal says. Key points. Local officials described the signals from Chinese authorities as getting ready for the possible storm, and said the government told them that they should only step in at the last minute to prevent spillover effects from Evergrande's demise, the Wall Street Journal report said. The report indicates that the central government may still have a limited appetite for bailing out the company, despite the global implications. Okay. So this is still an ongoing story here. You know, this was the big story earlier in the week. Evergrande, China's second biggest real estate developer, is going into default right now. And everyone is scrambling, like, what's going to go, you know, what's going on? How are we going to handle this? How is this going to affect the global economy? And, yeah, we're getting some developing news here. It seems like China doesn't really want to bail out Evergrande. Or not directly, at least. It seems like they're trying to get a bunch of other companies to buy up their assets and pretty much, you know, acquire Evergrande. Split them up. Split up the assets between all these different banks and companies. So they're working on repairing the damage right now. But yeah, this is still developing. You know, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know how this is going to affect the world economy. But we do know that China doesn't want to directly bail them out. So yeah, we'll have to see how the story develops. At the end of the day, it could be this you know, brief time in history where crazy things are happening, or this can you know, lead to something much worse. Hopefully not something like 08. But yeah, here's an update on this whole China Evergrande situation. All right, next one. Yersir is my twin brother. I told him to join. All right, good to know. Yeah, but pretty much I don't know who anyone is on Discord. EAR making some moves to the up or downside. Are you still short Zakaria? Are you still in there? Well, let's look at VTVT. VTV Therapeutics. Yeah, this is it's a pretty good gain here. Wow. This is a pretty good gain here. Let me add this to the watch list real quick. I don't want to go for it because I know as soon as I go for it, it's going to pump. So I'm waiting for a really good price. Well, let me add this to the watch list. In case it goes nuts and I want to jump in. But thanks for that, Team Crawford. Thanks for pointing this one out. Yeah, it's up 27% for the day, so hopefully it reverses. Not going to go for it just yet, but looks like a good potential play here. What's the news? Any news? Oh, okay. So they announced So they announced good studies, good trial results. I mean, you know, nothing that new. Volume is coming down, so maybe I should jump in. It looks like it's coming down. No, I'm gonna hold off. Yeah, resist the FOMO. If it goes down, then oh well. But hopefully it keeps on running and I can get a better price here. But it's looking kind of weak. It looks like it's selling off right now. Upside. He's short? Who's short? Are you talking about the meme? Anyway, yeah, we'll keep an eye on VTVT. I'm watching to go long on VTVT. Small snack attendees. Going long? Well, you might have to catch a pretty deep bottom here. Should have went long before it exploded here. Not financial advice. I don't know if going long is the best play right now, Team Crawford. But good luck to you, dude. Yeah, if it blows past 230, then I'm going to look to take a short position. Looking kind of weak right now, though. Looking like it's selling off, and volume is coming down. Yeah, so it doesn't look too good right now, but we'll keep an eye on this. All right, back to the articles here. All right, this next one's about AirBNB and Afghanistan. So let's read. AirBNB says it has doubled the number of Afghan refugees it plans to temporarily house. Key points. Last month, the charitable arm of the short-term lodging service pledged to accommodate 20,000 refugees. However, in a new blog post, AirBNB said it will have the capacity to go above and beyond the initial commitment. If demand for housing aligns with supply in communities where refugees are resettling, these new resources could help provide housing for an additional 20,000 Afghan refugees, the company said. Verizon, Walmart, and Texas Medical Technology are among those who have offered to help the 100,000 plus people to have fled the country to the U.S. after Kabul fell to the Taliban on August 15th. Okay. So, I guess this is some minor news. And maybe that's why AirBNB was up so big today. But this is pretty good here. You know, good humanitarian work, and yeah, you know, I don't know if they're gonna make money from this, but this is pretty nice of them. This is nice from AirBNB. So not sure if in the end this is to profit or what, or just out of the good of their hearts. But yeah, pretty good news here. AirBNB is helping out with this whole refugee crisis. All right, let's move on. So, third and final article here. You can now get paid in Bitcoin to use Twitter. Key points. Twitter will now allow users to tip their favorite creators on the social network using Bitcoin. The company announced on Thursday that its tips feature will now roll out globally to all Apple iOS users this week and will become available for Android users in the coming weeks. The integration of Bitcoin to Twitter's tip feature is hardly surprising considering CEO Jack Dorsey is one of the most vocal supporters of the cryptocurrency. So yeah, so Twitter was also up really big today. This probably had something to do with it, but this is pretty big news here. The fact that you can get tips now, and the fact that you can get tips in crypto. I mean, honestly, it's probably better if you just link your wallet in your profile, right? And then they send you directly money to your direct wallet and not your Twitter wallet. But hey, I guess it's better than I guess it's better than doing nothing. A lot of people don't even know how to transfer, crypto. I would say most people don't even know how to actually transfer crypto. All they know is buy, and make tendies. So yeah, I guess this is a little bit of minor news as well, but pretty big deal. So yeah, Twitter's up today. Okay, so that's all our articles for today. So let's get into some analysis now. Well, let's refresh the aftermarket action first. Yeah, VT looks like the biggest runner right now. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, it's still running. I knew it. See, told you guys I shouldn't have done it. So hopefully this keeps on legging up. And I can get in here at a really good price. So yeah, I got to keep watching this one here. If it goes to 250, I'm in. Okay, so yeah. Oops. All right, so today we're going to discuss ATER, CEI, Blackberry, TMC, and MRIN. So let's do it, guys. First one, ATER. Bear salivating as it runs up. Yeah, I'm waiting for my opportunity right here. I mean, I'm kind of salivating right now, but I have a feeling it's going to keep running. Or maybe I'm just not being confident because I've been getting wrecked so much lately. But yeah, I'm salivating at this right now. Looking for a good entry here. Okay. All right, so here's ATER Aterian. This finishes at $12 today. That is down 28.23%. So very nasty day for this stock today. I know a lot of apes got wrecked. Very unfortunate because the market was up so much today, and this stock just takes a straight dump. But yeah, we've been covering this stock a lot lately in the past couple of weeks. This continues to trend every single day on social media. And today was no different. It was trending. And yeah, the apes got wrecked. So really no specific news or anything to justify this price action today. I would say it's just a bunch of profit taking and reshorting. So nothing else. So nothing much else to say about this stock. Let's analyze. So if you guys have been watching the past couple of shows, I said that we have a cup and handle here. The top of the cup completed, the handle completed. I said there's going to be consolidation and breakout. That happened. Now, I did say I thought this was going to go back to 19. At least 19. I did say I thought this was going to come back to at least 19 before we see some pullback. And it appears like I was wrong on that. This did not go back to 19. It went to 17 and goes right back down. So that could mean two things. That could either mean this sell-off is a fluke and it's going to run back up. And the cup and handle is still developing. Or it could mean that the cup and handle got rejected and now it's going to go into free fall. So hopefully it's the first one. Hopefully this is a fluke and it keeps on running up. But there's a real possibility that this is going to go timber in the short term. All right, support and resistance. Okay, so right now this is sitting on the support of $12, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1330. $14.90, $16.60, $18.30, $19.70, $21.80, $23, what is this? $24.10, $25.60, $26.85, $28.70, $30.30, $32, $32.85, okay, $34.15, $35.90, $37, $38.20, $39.70, $40.90, $42.10, $43, $44, $45, $46.50, $47.50, and then the high of $49. Sorry guys, I'm a little stuffy here right now. Might have to grab my water bottle. And if this goes to the downside, Next levels of support would be 1050, 955, 860, $8, 750, 680, 560, what is this? $4, and then the low of $3. So right now at this current price, $12, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 54, so pretty average there. So according to the RSI, $12 is around fair market value. And this did 83, and this did 83 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So as I previously mentioned, we're at this stage now where we're unsure if the cup and handle will continue to develop or if it got rejected and it's now going to reverse to the downside. So I'm going to be honest, at this point, this is more like a gamble than an investment. And either way you go, long or short, this is very, very risky. This would be a high risk, high reward play. Either way you go, long or short. You're either going to make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. You're either going to the moon or going to the Wendy's dumpster. It's very hard to predict which way this is going to go. No clue. We have really nothing to go off of here. All the indicators are pretty neutral. And we don't even really know how the sentiment is going on social media. Well, we do know, but we don't know like which side it's on. Anyway. So, therefore, I think that the best play right now is to avoid this altogether. Don't go long or short. Just wait, be patient, observe the price action. See when this starts catching some support or resistance. And then jump in when you get a better price. So I can't exactly tell you what prices are good to enter. Well, so I would say that $20 would probably be a good time to enter short. And I really couldn't tell you what a good time to enter long would be. Maybe 5. No, that's too low. Yeah, I'm not even going to attempt a price target there. Now, if you do want to gamble, then sure, go for it. Just understand that it's very risky and be aware that you can lose a lot of money here. You can make a lot of money too, but like I said earlier, high risk, high reward. So if you want to do that, sure, go ahead, but be aware of what you're getting yourself into. So yeah, I think this is pretty risky here. This is a gamble right now. I would not recommend going long or short right now. I would suggest being patient. But again, if you really must gamble, then go for it. But understand the risks you are taking. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. If you're still up, consider taking profits. Not financial advice, but this could go pretty bad. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ATER Aterian. All right. So VTVT is up to 230. 230. And it still looks like it has room to go. So, yeah, good thing I didn't go short right here. All right, next one, CEI. And give me like 10 seconds, guys. Let me just grab my water bottle, because throat's a little dry here. My bad. Give me 10 seconds. DATS mooned just after me covering. Never be greedy, bears. So the market makers were looking out for you today, huh? Yeah, it feels good when you literally catch the bottom or you catch the top. You feel like a super Chad. A Giga Chad. You know, when you catch the top, when you sell the top or you short the top, it's like, yeah, I'm so good at this. Or if you cover the bottom or buy the bottom, I'm so nice at this. Hell yeah. I feel you, dude. So yeah, congratulations, man. Nice move there. Is it like really mooning or what? Yeah, it looks pretty strong right now, and it's bull flagging, so might have to keep an eye on this. He covered, pump it. Yeah, I wish it worked like that. Uh-oh, RNAZ is coming back. VTVT is coming back. We're going back down. Yeah, IHT is down to 470. Damn, why didn't I go for 6? I should have went for 6, huh? I don't know if I would have got the shares anyway. So MRM is holding steady at 1185. So maybe I can get back in at the exact average that I got in yesterday. For more shares, though. Okay, next one, CEI. Excuse me. Okay, here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $1.90 today. That is up 30.14%. All right. So we covered this one a few times. This is one of the lesser known meme stocks that hasn't been getting as much attention as some of the bigger ones, but a meme stock nonetheless. And today it was trending on Stock Twits and had some major momentum behind it. It's been had some major momentum for the past couple of weeks, but in the past few trading sessions, it briefly looked like the run was over. It started selling off, and today we got a big bounce. So apparently, The squeeze has not been squeezed just yet. We're still good right now. So yeah, this just keeps on moving up. And actually, it filled a gap today. We had a gap way back here at like 193 back in February. And that gap just filled today. So incredible. Incredible. But yeah, not much else to say about this. So let's get right into the analysis. So it looks like we have a cup and handle here. Now that could be either a bullish or bearish indicator, depending on where you think the top of the cup is. So the top could have been around 190, which is where it finished at today. And that would be a bearish indicator, because that would mean that the top of the cup completed, and now the next step would be for the handle to start forming. So if we do some quick math, 160, 80, 110. Yeah, so just some quick math off the top of my head. If 190 is in fact the top of the cup, this should pull back to around 110 for the handle to complete. Now, another possible top could be 280 or 310. Yeah. Again. So the other two possible tops of this cup are 280 and 310. So if you think those are the tops of this cup, then this would currently be a bullish indicator, because that would mean that the top has not completed yet. That would mean the top has not completed yet, and there's still upside potential. So that could mean that this will continue to run to 280 or 310. Verbmaker, could you check out random ticker LWLG after? I really like the stock, but I need a good entry, and I feel like I missed it. Sure, we can take a look at that real quick after I'm done with CEI right here.
We like the stock.
All right. So right now, this is sitting on the support of 190, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $2, 210, 220, 240, 280, and the high of 310. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 175, 170, 150, 135, 125, 120, 115, 105, $1, 90 cents, 85 cents, 80 cents, 70 cents, 60 cents, 50 cents, 45 cents, 40 cents, and the low of 35 cents. So right now at this current price, 190, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 125, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 125. The RSI is currently at 76, so that is in overbought and overvalued territory, so be careful, guys. And this did 257 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. What news is CEI running on? Nothing, Verb Maker. It's running on pure momentum from the apes. No news at all. Okay. So honestly, right now, it's pretty difficult to tell which way this is going to go in the short term. We are getting mixed signals here. But we are getting more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. But still, I'm not that confident to say which way it's going to go. But yeah, for the bullish case, we have the possible cup and handles, and the strong momentum on social media. And for the bearish case, we have the high RSI, the high volume, and the possible cup and handle. So yeah, at this current price, 190, this is more like a gamble than an investment. Because at this point, it can either run to 280 or it can go back down to 110. So yeah, honestly speaking, the best play, the safer play, in my opinion, is to avoid this stock altogether and to be patient and wait for a better entry. If it continues to run, then you can then you can enter a short position, and if it pulls back, then you can enter a long position. And I would say that if this comes up to at least 280, that seems like a good time to go short. And if it comes down to 110, then that seems like a good time to go long. But at this current price, 190, I don't think it's a great idea to take any position here. Because if you do, that would be high risk, high reward. It's going to go really good or really bad. But if you really must, then sure, go for it. But again, understand that it's really risky, and you could lose a lot of money if you guess wrong. You can also make a lot of money if you guess right. But yeah, very, very risky stuff here. So only do that if you understand what you're getting yourself into. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI. This is CEI Camber Energy. All right, Blackberry. Oh, right. LWLG. Right. Damn, VT is pulling back. I should have went for it at 230. Oh. And it looks like a head and shoulders here, so. This is tough. And it kind of looks like a bull flag. But it looks like a head and shoulders as well. Hmm. Hmm. Damn. I really don't know. I'm gonna hold off for a little longer. Keep an eye on that. LWLG. Okay. Okay, wow. Yeah. It does appear like you missed it, Verb Maker. But it looks like a cup and handle here. 14 and 6 looks like. So I would say 10. Probably 10. So we have the cup and handle here. So halfway between 14 and 6 is 10. So I think it's coming back to 10. So I'd say 10 and lower would be a good entry, Verb Maker. But yeah, RSI is high right now, so it does appear like you missed the entry here. But yeah, I would say 10 and lower seems like a good entry. So hope that answers your question, dude. Wanted to enter at 10 but missed it. Yeah, well, probably coming back to 10, so just be patient, dude. Any gaps? I don't see any. Nope. Doesn't appear so. Nope, no gaps. There was a gap, but that filled at 1035. So no gaps. But yeah, it should pull back to 10 to form the handle right now. Uh-oh, VT going down. Down to 217 right now. But it looks like it's pushing to the upside again. Kind of bear flagging, though. Yeah. Resist FOMO. Wait for a better price. Okay. What was I just looking at? Well, let's refresh this page, this aftermarket action here first, and then we'll get to Blackberry. That's why I'm watching for 230 to turn into support, but third time's a charm to hit 230 on VT. I'm hoping it moons also, because I want to get in there on the short side. All right, so we got AEHR mooning, and we also have PRGS. I don't know what PRGS is. Yeah, seems like Tim Crawford wants to go long on that one. So I hope he can get it at 230 and dump it like 250 or something, and I can get in at 250 and short it back down. Progress software. Yeah, whatever. Okay, Blackberry. And we'll begin after this ambulance passes. Long ambulance here. Quick in and out. Yeah, get in, cash out, and then let me short it back down. That would be ideal. There's a gap here. Damn, this is a long ambulance. All right, let's do it. So here is Blackberry. So here is BB, Blackberry. This finishes at $10.60 today. That is up 10.88%. Give that the rocket. So it's been a while since we've talked about Blackberry. Haven't really talked about this one since Me Mania Round 2, which was a couple months ago in June. So we got some pretty good price action today, but there was actually a reason for this. This isn't just some ape stuff going on. Not totally ape stuff going on, at least. They had earnings, so let's take a look at the earnings. What's up, Derek? Appreciate you for being here, as always. How are you, man? BB bag holders everywhere. Yeah, that and MMAT. and now GREE. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Was holding some before dumping it a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, Zakaria, whatever happened to that position you had in Blackberry? Way back in June. Did you ever get rid of that? I sure hope so. And Hood. Well, hope you made 10 on those. Okay. Where's the earnings? Where's the earnings? Does it say here? Earnings. All right, here we go. I don't know what the estimated was, though. All right, here we go. Okay, so the EPS was negative 6 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 7 cents. And the revenue was 175 million, which beat the estimate of 163.5 million. So I'm gonna be honest, guys. To me personally, those earnings don't seem that good. Negative EPS and only 175 million in revenue. That's really not too much compared to some other companies. But they did beat on the estimates for EPS and revenue. So I guess the earnings were really good. So it seems like the apes were really happy about those earnings, and they piled in today. I'm sure some institutions did as well. So yeah, the stock goes up almost 11% today. What's up, Steve? And ONTX. Well, that one's a new one. I should have held that one because I covered at 6. I should have held today. I could have made 10%. Cut it and never again. It was a nasty guh. Yeah, I remember, dude. Weren't you in at like 18 or something? It was something absurd. I tried to quick scalp it too at like 16, I remember, and I got wrecked on that. But yeah, that was back when you were a young rainbow bear, still learning the ways. So it's been quite a while since then. So now we know better, right? Thanks, Ed, means a lot, being that I am still a super rookie and follow patterns, using indicators, etc. I am working to do this. I'm working to do this as a job. Yeah. Well, good luck to you, Team Crawford. You got to start from somewhere. I did a couple of years ago. And now I'm doing this full time as a job, and I'm pretty comfortable. So it's not going to happen overnight. You gotta hone your skills, get better at this every day. And over the years, the gains start to add up a lot. So I'm very happy, that you want to do this as a job or a career. And yeah, dude, just give it some time. It's not going to happen immediately. Ideally, it would, but no, this is a long-term game, But, I totally support you doing this as a career. It's much better than working a slave job, I will say. For sure. You make more money, and you can work from home. You can sit in your drawers and just trade. So, yeah, I'm never going back. This is the way. Financial freedom right here. Derek, I'm holding half my BBIG. Sold what I needed to at 12 to make it, so I'm on house money. So I'm holding and see what happens. All right, dude. Well done. Nicely played. Congratulations to you, first of all. And, yeah, dude. Not sure what's going on with BBIG right now, but hey, if you're on house money, then really can't say anything bad. It looks bearish, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, dude, if you're on house money, then not so bad at all, Then you can afford to gamble a little bit. I'm gonna be honest though, I think it's coming back to 530. So, hopefully not. But yeah, this could be a good opportunity, This is getting pretty low here. $12. Alright, I thought it was a lot worse for like 15 or something. I was in at 16 or 15, I remember, and I got wrecked. Alright, back to this. Okay, so first of all, let me zoom in here. 980, okay. So, first of all, we have a gap up today. Well, actually, let's go back. So, way back in November, we had a gap up at 620. And that never filled. So, that is a bearish indicator. That means that that means that the stock might come back down to 620 eventually to fill that gap. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it never does. It's been almost a year, and it hasn't gone that low again. But that is pretty noteworthy. We have to keep that in mind. Gap up at 620, bearish indicator. And today, another gap up was created at 980. So again, a bearish indicator. That means that this stock is likely to come back down to 980 to fill that gap. And honestly, that's probably going to happen in the short term. And it does appear like a cup and handle is forming here. The top of the cup could either be 16, 19, or 20. And it appears like the bottom of the cup is around 950-ish. So that is currently a bullish indicator, because that means that this stock might come back up to, what did I just say? 16, 19, or 20 to complete the top of the cup here. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1060, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1120, 1210, 1275, 14, 1525, 16, 1720, 18, 19, and here comes the siren. 1 second, guys. My bad. I don't know why these ambulances are so damn long nowadays, but anyway, it looks like VTVT pulled back to 210, so damn, yeah, it looks like I missed my shot there. That is unfortunate. Yeah, I should have went for 230, huh? Damn. Damn. Should have went for 230. Should have went for 230. Oh well, what you gonna do? Clown on me. Got too greedy. Alright, back to this. So I say 19. 1950. 2020. 2240. 2510. And the high of 2880. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 965, 865, $8, 745, $7, 660, 570. Zoom in here. Or lower. I guess not. Alright, 570. 535. $5. And then the low of 430. So right now at this current price, 1060, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back up to 2020, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this comes back up to 2020. The RSI is currently at 53, so pretty average. So according to the RSI, 1060 is around fair market value. And this did 41 million in volume today. Significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So this one to me looks like it's bearish in the short term, but in the longer short term and in the long term, it looks bullish to me. I say that in the short term, I say in the short term that I think this is bearish because of the gap up at 980. So I do think this will pull back to 980 to fill that gap before this continues to run to the upside. So I really couldn't blame you if you wanted to just take a position here at 1060. This is not a bad price at all. You know, the bottom is like 960. So this is still pretty low. You can't go too wrong going long here. So I would support that. But I think if you wait a little bit, you should be able to get this at 980, which is a slightly better price. But yeah, I support going long either here at 1060 and if it continues to pull back, then you can just average down. Or you can just wait for this to hit 980 and buy in at that price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I do not recommend that. I mean, maybe you can make a little bit of money back down to 980, but to me, that's not even really worth it, you know? You'd be shorting for crumbs, and you're putting yourself at risk of getting squeezed out. There's not too much downside potential here. There's some very strong support at 960. Highly doubt it's going to break that. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So yeah, I would not do that, and I do not recommend that. But I will say that if this does in fact come back up to at least 16, then I think that would be a good time to start a short position. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. This could be a runner. This may be the start of something big. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BB Blackberry. How many TA I have left? 2. TMC and MRIN. And those should go relatively quickly. No support and resistance on TMC. Man, you are really disappointing me with the lack of live Rainbow Bear action today. Hey, what do you want from me, Marvin? There's nothing good to go for. I mean, I could have went for that one. For VT. Yeah, missed opportunity. That's down to 6. That's down to 210 now, so I could have been up 10% on that. Clown on me, huh? Clown on me. I mean, I guess I could still go for it, but it ain't that good anymore. Anyway, I wish I could, dude. But, yeah, there's nothing going on here. No action. Even in the pre-market today, in general, there's really no action. Not too much. Yeah, the only thing that's really worth going for was VTVT, and I missed it, so. Yeah, unfortunate. Should have went for it at 2:30. Don't know why I did not. Don't know why I did not. I really thought it was going to keep running. Because, yeah. Like I said, it looked like a head and shoulders, so that looked bearish. But then it looked like a bear flag, I mean a bull flag at the same time, so. I don't know, maybe it's still going to leg up. Looking like it's catching support at 210, so. Maybe it's not over yet, but for now it's looking like a missed opportunity. But I'm hoping it runs back up. Yeah, looking like it's pumping right now. It looks like there's some covering going on here. We'll see, but I don't know about Blackberry. Well, you know, yeah, I don't really like the stock too much either, but the chart looks pretty bullish. I'm not going to lie. So, if you hold until, you know, the next meme mania, that could pay off pretty big. Yeah, low roller. We will get to that very soon. Almost done here. TMC was such a bad DD by the apes. Thought we had a runner. Instead, it was just guh. Well, honestly, I don't know anything about the DD, dude. But, yeah, I'm looking at the graph. And, yeah, straight guh. Alright, yeah, TMC. Okay, here is TMC, the metals company. This finishes at $5.46 today. That is down 21.04%. Which ones did I use? I used BitConnect, right? So. So this is a low-key meme stock. It hasn't been as popular as some of the other meme stocks, but this has been trending on social media the past couple of weeks. And today we have a lot, and today this was trending again. Unfortunately, it was trending for the wrong reasons. We have a major sell-off today, and in the past few weeks. So it looks like this was a SPAC. I'm not exactly sure, but this looks like it was a SPAC. And then I guess they did their acquisition, and the apes got really excited, pumped it up, and then there comes the rug pull. So, kind of related. So, just a note. So just a note for you apes. Be very careful when investing in SPACs. You know, it's highly speculative. Very risky. So, here's an example of one that did not go well. What were the apes thinking? They were thinking Tendies. And now they're at Wendy's. Is this a SPAC? Looks like it, dude. The S1 came out revealing that the pipe holders can sell completely, refuting the DD. Reason TMC pumped is the same with OPAD and IRNT shares locked up, meaning low float, so easy to drive up price, if I can recall correctly. So, yeah, it got squeezed because the apes jumped in pretty much. Oh, yeah, I don't know nothing about the DD, but this is nasty right here. So, So we can't. So there's not too much to go off of here because this only recently started getting some real action. But let's see what we can spot here. So first of all, we have a gap down at 675. So that is a bullish indicator. That means that this is likely to come back up to 675 eventually to fill that gap. And I really couldn't tell you how long that would take. It could be in the short term, and this can come running back up furiously. One second, guys. Got this another damn ambulance here. BKSY may be the next D-SPAC play, but I'm done with them now. I don't know what the hell BKSY is. Yes. Oh, Black Sky. Yeah, I know what this is. Yeah. Wasn't this acquired by Goldman or something? Or was that Green Sky? I can't even remember. Yeah, these SPACs have crazy graphs. Alright, where was I? So I couldn't really tell you when that gap is going to fill. It could be in the short term if this has a bounce. If this reverses and runs up hard, it can fill relatively quickly. But if this continues to go into free fall, it may be a while before we see that gap fill. But regardless, that is a bullish indicator. This should come back to 675 eventually to fill that gap. The RSI is currently at 33, so not quite oversold and undervalued just yet, but it's quickly approaching that. And this did 26 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, so in my personal opinion, this chart looks pretty bearish to me right now. It looks like it's going into free fall, and it hasn't caught any support yet. And who knows how low this is going to go before it starts catching some support. We don't have any historical data to estimate where some support might be. This is an all-time low, and who knows how low it's going to go. So this is a falling knife right now. And so I definitely wouldn't go long here. If you go long, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. I would support going long. Just wait, be a little patient. Wait until this finally starts to catch some support. Wait till it bottoms out, and then enter. But right now, 564. But right now, 546. But right now, entering at 546, going long, does not appear to be a good play. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, I personally wouldn't do that. Not saying it's a bad play, but like I said, there's no data to go off of. We really don't know how low this is going to go. This may keep on going timber, and you can print some fat tendies, or this can reverse really quickly. And if that happens, you'll be screwed. So going short here is also a pretty risky play, I would say. High risk, high reward. Going long is just a high risk, low reward. So going short here seems like a gamble to me more than an investment. Could pay off pretty big, could go pretty wrong. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't do it, but if you guys want to do it, sure, go for it. But just understand, it is very risky. You could make tendies, or you could be eating ramen at the end of the day. So go short at your own risk, and don't go long right now. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today and in the past week. This is really nasty right now. Hang in there. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TMC, the metals company. All right, last one, MRIN. And then we'll get to the Yolos. This chart reminds me of XOS. What is XOS? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, it pretty much looks the same. All the SPACs look the same, you know. You have, like, no action, and then it gets acquired, and then mega action. No, VT. Yeah, it looks like I missed my shot there. Oh, well. All right, last one, MRIN. Okay, here's MRIN, Marin software. This finishes at $8.54 today. That is down 7.27%. So we talked about this one recently. This used to be a big meme stock. It squeezed all the way from like $2 to 27 and had a furious sell-off. And it seemed like the apes didn't really care about it anymore. But 2 days ago, there was some really big news. This company now has a partnership with Google. I think it's Google, right? Yeah. And because of that, this went from 5 to 10, a 100% gain. And if you guys watched my show yesterday, I said that it looks pretty bearish to me. I think it's going to go down. And today, it goes down. So it looks like I'm right so far. But not too much else to say about this stock, so let's get right into some analysis here. Is this a gap? Yeah, that is a gap. So we have multiple gaps here. We have a triple gap up. The first gap up was around $2. The second gap up was around $4.30. And recently, we had a gap up at $5.70. So those are all bearish indicators. That means that this stock might pull back to 2, 4.30, and 5.70 to fill those gaps. Now, realistically speaking, the $2 gap and the $4.30 gap And the 430 gap may never fill. I think the 570 gap has a much better chance of filling than those other two. And we also have a gap down at 1280. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that this is likely to come back up to 1280 eventually to fill that gap. And honestly, that may be a while, but that is a good thing. Bullish indicator there. And it looks like this is starting to form a cup and handle here. Top of the cup could be 27. Actually, there could be many different possible tops of this cup here. But this cup is looking really deep. So that is also a bullish indicator. The lowest top would be 1230. So this should come back to at least 1230. So this might come back to at least 1230 to fill the top of that cup there. And best case scenario, this can come all the way back to 27 to fill the top of that cup there. But yeah, looks like a cup and handle is developing. That is currently a bullish indicator. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 930 and 830. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 930, 1080, 1190, 1330, 15, 1730, 1885, 20, 2150, 2550, and the high of 2726. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 830, 750, 675, 625. Let's zoom in here. $5.70, $5.40, $5. Oh man. $4.65. What is this? 430? This is too much. And then the low of 430. And there is a bunch of support below 430, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 854, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. This is 570. However, if/when this comes back down to 570, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 570. The RSI is currently at 64, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but a little above average there. And this did 19 million in volume today. Significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Guys, you see the Wall Street Bet article about the guy who lost 30K and also in 100K debt? I might have that on the YOLO list today. Not exactly sure, can't remember. But there was a lot of posts like that today. A lot of lost corn with a P. PBS YouTube have documentaries called The Retirement Gamblers on YouTube channel. Will they feature Wall Street bets? I haven't finished watching the entire video. You need to watch the video. Noted, no low roller. PBS Retirement Gamblers. All right, I will be sure to watch that. Maybe this weekend. Okay. So, in my opinion, I think in the short term, this chart is looking pretty bearish to me. But in the long term, it looks bullish. I say that in the short term, I think it's bearish because we do have this gap up at 570. So I do think that this is going to pull back to 570 before this continues to the upside. You know, this popped 100% on some PR news. I mean, it was good PR, but honestly, kind of seemed like an overreaction. So I do expect this. So I do expect the apes to start taking profits, and I do expect this to come back down to 570 to fill the gap. So therefore, I think that going long right now would not be a good play. I would not do that, and I don't recommend that. You're probably going to be buying into a falling knife, and you're probably going to end up holding the bag. But if this does come back to at least 570, then I would say that's a good time to start a short position. I mean, a long position, my bad. Then I would say that's a good time to start a long position. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play. There's a lot of downside potential here. From 850 down to 570. What is that? That'd be a 20% gain. More than that. Yeah, from 850 down to 570, that's around a 30% gain. So a lot of tendies to be made to the downside here. And I really don't think you're at risk. And I really don't think you're too much at risk of getting squeezed out here. Because, like I said, this was purely a momentum play, a PR play, and it appears like the momentum is cooling off now. So, unless we have some great PR again, I do not expect this to keep running to the upside. So yeah, I think going long would be a high risk, low reward play. And I think going short would be a low risk, high reward play here. And again, I'm just bearish in the short term. I think longer term, this will definitely go up. but I think it's coming back down to 570 at least first. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. If you're still up, consider taking profits. Not financial advice, but in the short term, this isn't looking too great. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MRIN, Marin Software. Man, glad I stayed on the sideline for VTVT. Yeah, that's good for you, dude. I'm upset I didn't go for it. Should have went with my gut. But it's really just, it's a confidence issue because, you know, like I said, the last 2 weeks I've been getting wrecked. So now I don't even want to go for things that are like up 20 or 30%. I'm waiting for like 50% gains, 40, 50% gains to be extra safe. Because, you know, every time I go for something 20, 30% nowadays, I just get wrecked on it. It goes up 50%. It goes up 100%. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? This is absurd. So, yeah, I think I messed up on that one. Didn't have the balls to go for it. My confidence is kind of shook here because I just keep taking L's every day now, for the most part. What's up, Mitchell? Appreciate you for being here. I'm glad you can catch the end of the show. We're getting into the Yolos now. I heard 401k fee is ripping us off. You need to watch the video. You have 401k and Roth IRA investment for your safer investment since you YOLO in the stock market. Not exactly sure how they're ripping us off. I do have a Roth IRA. Yep. I know that Congress is trying to close the loophole for rich people where you can't use retirement plans to, you know, skirt taxes anymore. They're trying to end that at least. What's up, Noor? I am so red. Mitchell, been getting wrecked lately? Hey, welcome to the club. I think everyone's been getting wrecked. Yeah, we all need some lube for our buttholes. Yeah, it hasn't been good. You know, past couple of weeks, it's been pretty rough for me, and it sounds like for a lot of people in the community. So, very sorry to hear that, guys. But hey, we're in the boat together. So, you know, we can complain and sulk together. That's what community is for. And, yeah, appreciate you guys for being here. And please hit the like button. Thank you. 401k is ripping off for fee. What fees? Not exactly what fees you're talking about, but sure. I'll be sure to watch that video. Sounds pretty interesting. Probably can't do it, you know, today or tomorrow, but this weekend I will be sure to watch that. All right, so that is all the analysis for today. Let's get to the YOLOs. Damn, VTVT down to $2 now. Clown. Is this man muted? Verbmaker, I don't think so. It looks pretty good here on my end. Joe said the same thing. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe YouTube is screwing me here. But no, it looks good on my end. I should not be muted. Someone tell me if I'm muted. I don't think I am. Never mind, it was me. All right, we're good. I have any picks for tomorrow? Nope, not right now. Unfortunately not. Nothing's really popping in the aftermarket. So, nope, as of right now, no plays. Okay. So let's just refresh the aftermarket action here, then let's get to the YOLOs. So AEHR is popping right now. I don't know what's up with AEHR, but yeah, that is going off right now. No, I can still hear the sirens. Well, I'm glad it's working. Mitchell, damn, I'm hurting, bro. Really sorry to hear that, man. Yeah. Yeah, this is how it goes, you know? You can't win them all, and you're not the only one, dude. Everyone's getting wrecked. Maybe you might want to, just a suggestion, maybe you want to lower the bet, you know, the bet size. Because it seems like, you know, you're betting in the range of like 5 figures. And yeah, when things go good, it's great. But when you lose, when you bet 5 figures and it goes the other way on you, So yeah, Marvin. I mean not Marvin. Yeah, Mitchell. Very sorry to hear that, but just hang in there, dude. You know, this is a long-term game. I hope you're still up. You know, overall. But you'll make it back, dude. Don't worry about it. Try not to dwell on it too much. This is how it goes, dude. The name of the game is to win more than you lose. Can't win them all. Congress better hope I'm not close. Congress better not close that loophole yet. I'm not rich yet. Wait until I'm rich to do it. Yeah, I think they're closing it for people who make 400K and above. So, and it's not. It hasn't gone through yet, but they're really trying to pass that. So, yeah, they're closing up all these loopholes here. Unfortunately. Low Roller says to put money in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. I can't disagree. I entered a position in OSCR. Very unusual insider buying. Over 23 million shares bought in last month by CEO and co-founder. OSCR. Well, I mean, I hope you're in the green there, but yeah, if more insiders start buying, that's great. But you know, if you buy after the insiders buy in, that it may go pretty wrong. But I'm looking at the graph here. It looks pretty good, honestly. Looks pretty bullish. Should come back to at least 20, and maybe even 30. We have, you know, cup and handle here, so top of the cup could be 20 and 30. So so even if you bought after the insiders, it still looks pretty bullish. So hope that works out for you, Verb Maker. Nor did I talk about SDC this video and RKLB? No, I did not. So you didn't miss anything. Looking for VWAP bounce on VTVT. $2. It's going up a little bit. Going up a little bit here. But yeah, it looks like, well, I mean, honestly, could be a good time to go long. Not financial advice, but you know, after a drop from 230, could be a quick, you know, quick scalp right here. But yeah, on the short side, it's a dub. But on the long side, it may keep running. I hope it comes back to 230. That'd be nice. All right. CEO bought $1 million worth of shares at 18? 18, so it's... So he's in the hole right now. I mean, not by that much, but... Alright, yeah, seems like... I can't argue with you, Verb Maker. Seems like a pretty good play here. So, yeah, hope that works out for you, dude. Regardless of the insider buying, you know, the chart looks bullish, so... Yeah, should work out, should work out. Good luck to you, dude. Oscar Health, I bought when that first insider bought around 13, sold at 14.50, then it just keep going up. So clown on you, Nor. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I feel you, dude. Missed opportunity. Really sucks, but hey, you made some pretty solid gain there. What, over 10%? That's pretty nice. So, you know, don't hang your head. A lot better than taking a loss. So, but I feel you, dude. Sucks when you know, you missed an opportunity. The insider keeps buying between 17 and 18. Hey, so maybe it will pump after the done loading. I really can't say. I don't know much about this stock, but I can't argue with that. You know, looks pretty good here. The TA, I mean not the TA, the DD that you're saying sounds pretty good, and the TA looks good. So, looks good to me. All right. So let me pull up the Yolos. 1 second, guys. Yeah, Low Roller, I do have the link, so we'll get to that after we're done with all of these. Alright, just waiting on this to finish loading, and we'll get started, guys. Tesla is at critical resistance 760. It was close early in day, but anyway, what happened last time it touched 760, it dropped to 200. I'm probably too chicken. So Joe, you're saying you want to go short? Is that what you're saying? Either buy puts or go short on Tesla? Oh, I'm not exactly sure what you're asking. I think you're asking if you should go short there. So please clarify. Okay, so today, this should be a lot of fun. Nothing too serious. We just have a Blackberry YOLO and a bunch of general ones. A lot of lost coin a day with a P. So yeah, shouldn't take too long and should be fun. So let's do it, guys. Alright, this first one is by Wall Street Buoy? Okay. They say, Blackberry, I have packed my bags, charged my phone. I've packed my bags, charged my phone. Today we start our journey to Valhalla. Pretty sure that's sarcasm. Because if we look here, so we have 90 calls, all for Blackberry. So these all expire on January 21st, 2022. So these are leaps here. We have 20 calls for the 30 strike, 20 calls for the 10 strike, and 50 calls for the 40 strike. So in total, this was around a 30K YOLO, a little less. And right now he's down 25K, down 84%. So we got Blackberry. Okay, so honestly, I don't like this play. Doesn't seem too great here. I mean, I like the leaps, but these strikes are pretty ridiculous. The $30 and the $40 strikes. And this might be FOMO. Not exactly sure what the entry was. But yeah, these are really, really risky here. Not FDs, but very ambitious plays here. I mean, the $10 strike is okay. You know, that was probably in the money. He should have just loaded up on $10 strikes. But, no, he went with 40 and 30. So, yeah, Blackberry's currently at 10. Right? 1060. So, Blackberry's currently at 1060. And he has about 4 months to go till these expire. Now, the yearly high for Blackberry was 30 back in Meme Mania round 1. In Meme Mania round 2, it hit 20. So I don't know why this guy went with 30 and $40 strikes. That is highly, highly unlikely to hit. And we see that, you know, the $10 calls are worth $160 each, and these $30 and $40 calls are going timber. So, yeah, at this point, you still have 4,800 in value. A lot of money there. See, normally I would say to hold these, because there is a good amount of time left, and, you know, it could possibly squeeze again if we have another Meme Mania. But these strikes are just so ridiculous, I really can't even say to hold these. Because even if you do hold it and this does squeeze, it may not even go in the money. So I think at this point, the best play would probably be to cut the $30 and the $40 strikes and let the $10 strike ride. I'm not worried about the 10 strike. Those should print. I'm very concerned about these $30 and $40 strikes. Those are probably going to go worthless So I would suggest cutting those now before they go to zero. So, Wall Street Buoy, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. But this is great entertainment, dude. I don't really like the play. I don't think it's that great. I like the $10 leaps. The $30 and the $40 leaps, I don't know what the hell you're doing there. Very ambitious. But yeah, here we are now. And at this point, I think you have to save face. I think you should cut the $30 and the $40 strikes. Because if you don't, it's probably going to zero. And you can just let the $10 strikes ride. Those should print. Especially if this gets another meme mania. If we hit another meme mania. So, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Yeah, short play. We can look at Tesla real quick. $40 strike is crazy. Yeah, even $30 strike is crazy. Blackberry is a Wall Street Bets bag holder heaven. I'd hit the sell. Yep, for sure. Hit the sell, and yeah, Blackberry, MMAT. What are some other ones? Microvision. GREE. Yeah, a lot of these meme stocks. Straight clown. Straight bag holding. Alright, low roller. We can take a look at those after we're done with these. Let's look at Tesla real quick. So first of all, Joe, I personally wouldn't do it. Because I would not bet against Tesla. Too risky for me. But yeah, I see what you're saying here with the critical resistance. It cannot break 760 here, and it looks like a cup and handle. So it's looking pretty bearish to me right now, honestly. So I would support, either shorting or buying puts here, but again, I like the stock, and I don't feel comfortable betting against Tesla, so just going off the TA. It looks like a good play going short, but, in reality, I probably wouldn't go for it. Not saying you shouldn't do it, but a little too scary for me, dude. But yeah, TA looks good here. Can't blame me if you want to go for it, Joe. Anything attached to Wall Street Bets I sell fast? Yeah, good idea. Get in before it starts, before it catches attention, and then get out once it does. Who knows? Maybe MMAT will strike the match that starts the meme mania run. Wouldn't that be something? Oh, Clover too. Yeah, Clover. CLNE, yeah. Clover and Wish. Yeah, those two for sure. And CLNE is one of the minor ones. But yeah, that one too. But Clover and Wish and Blackberry and MMAT. Yeah, for sure. And GREE and Microvision. Straight bag holders. Clown. I am Diamond Hands, B, Blackberry, CEI, MMAT, Workhorse, COS, and Sundial. Yeah, so low roller is heavily invested in these stocks here. Yeah, I mean, your best plan, low roller, would probably be to wait until another meme mania and just dump everything once everything goes flying in meme mania. But in the meantime, it looks like you're going to be holding, you're going to be diamond handsing until we get another pop again. But next time meme mania comes around, you might want to hit the sell button. Not financial advice. But I hope you make your money back on those, dude. Alright, so the rest of these are just general. So these should go pretty fast. Some fun stuff here. So this one is by Get Rich Quick. ID Chow. I Chow. I don't know. They say, I'm so effed. I also have credit card debt. If 30K... and in parentheses, I also lost 100K as well, and 2 personal loans. I just bought a car as well. Should I just stop paying for everything but the car and let it all go to collection and start over in 7 years? I also got a new job. No bankruptcy till I'm being sued. Well, okay. A lot to unpack here. So credit card debt, lost 100K. And 2 personal loans. So, credit card debt and personal loan debt. And he balled out on a car, and I don't know how he lost 100K. But, yeah, dude. If you're in this much debt and you just balled out on a car, maybe you shouldn't be putting your money in the market like this. I don't know. Just a suggestion. It doesn't sound like this guy is too smart with his personal finance here. Kind of sounds like he has a spending problem or a saving problem. But let's see here. Yeah, down 34.5K. That's all it says. So I don't know what he did, but yeah, down 34.5K. So I guess I'll comment more on real life advice rather than the play itself here. Yeah, dude, you gotta get your life together. I don't know what the hell you're doing. What are you spending money on? What did you spend 30 grand on in credit card debt? What did you take two personal loans on? I mean, if it's not for college or like a house, I don't know what you're doing. And how'd you lose 100K? How'd you manage to do that? And why'd you buy a car? I'm assuming it's a nice car. You could have went with like a Honda Civic or something. Honda Accord. Yeah, at this point, dude, I don't know. Sounds pretty bad for you. Maybe the only option is to go into collection. So it kind of sounds like the situation is worse than he's actually saying. But yeah, very sorry to hear this, dude. I'm gonna be honest. Kind of sounds like this was your own fault, so I can't feel too bad for you. But yeah, I do feel sorry though. Self-inflicted, but this really, really sucks. So, if anything good comes out of this, I hope you learn from your life, from your lessons. I hope you learn some lessons from this, and in the future, learn to manage your money a little bit better. But this is great content here. Just a little bit sad. So yeah, thanks for the post, dude, and sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, man. Now add IRNT, OPED, TMC. Yeah. Wall Street Bets is bag holders community. Bag holders galore. I hope the guy doesn't lose his job. He'll be working at Wendy's. He might be working at Wendy's right now. You don't know what kind of job he has. Yeah. Give him the dumpster here. Totally deserved. Dumpster. That's where he's going to be at soon. He probably bought a Lambo. Kind of sounds like that's something this guy would do. Probably not a Lambo, but he probably did buy a nice car. A new nice car. Sounds like he might have some habits that need help. Yeah. Degeneracy, spending, and saving habits. 1983 Ford Escort with the sunroof and crank windows for this degenerate. I think you're talking about yourself, Joe. Yeah. So just some, like, real-life advice. If you guys have a nice car, you should probably also buy a crappy car. Like, I have a Mustang, but I don't even drive the damn thing anymore. I just drive my crappy Honda Accord, my 2007 Honda Accord. It does its job. It's cheap, it's easy to maintain, and, gets me around. So, yeah. Getting a little off topic here, but no shame in buying and driving an older car. It's definitely smart, money-wise. Don't get a nice car unless you can really afford it. And, if you think you can afford it, you probably can't, in all honesty. After insurance and taxes and all this crazy stuff, maintenance, it adds up. They owe money. He will lost his car and house. Yeah, that too. I'm not sure if he bought his car in cash or debt. Probably debt. If you've never been left bag holding the bag before, then you never laid odds on Wall Street Bets. Honestly, it would probably be better if Reddit shut down Wall Street Bets. I think if people didn't go on this board, a lot of people would save a lot of money. Because you go on this forum and you get these stupid ideas. Yeah, let me YOLO Clover. Let me YOLO Wish. Let me YOLO Blackberry. And then it's just loss after loss after loss. Like, I seriously think if Wall Street Bets did not exist, all the apes would be a little bit richer. But, hey, I love it. This is some great content here. Anyway, let's move on. Getting a little short on time here. Let's speed it up. All right, this one is by Retarded Git. They say joined Wall Street Bets in April. So yeah, straightforward here and pretty relevant to what we're talking about. So yeah, in April he had a 50K account. Now in September, it's 4,500. So yeah, 6 month change, down over 43K, over 90%. Wall Street Bets jump into cryptocurrency. They love losing money. Yeah, but you know, they're probably, instead of buying Bitcoin and Ether and Cardano and Doge and all that, they're gonna buy poop coins. I can already see. TEDU is supposed to be getting acquired by the end of the month. Just a little DD for anyone who's interested. Getting acquired by who? Is that a SPAC? Uh-oh. You know what that means. Yeah, gotta look into that a little later. But, you know, it kind of sounds like a sell the news event. If you already know about it, it's probably going to be sell the news. They said they can lose money faster in crypto, Wall Street Bets user said. You can lose money faster in crypto than options? I don't know about that. Maybe, if you really go for a poop coin and it gets rug pulled. That'd be kind of difficult to lose money faster than, you know, FDs. But leave it to the apes. They would find a way. But yeah, this one is straightforward. 50K down to 4,500 in 6 months. 90% loss. I don't know how this is possible. Well, I do. There's only really one way. And that's, he probably YOLO'd on options and lost a lot. So, yeah, another degenerate right here. Sounds like a gambling problem. But yeah, Retarded Git, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. I would recommend not going into FDs anymore. Just a suggestion. But great content here, dude. I love it. This is great Wall Street Bets content at its finest. So yeah, sorry for your loss. Hope you make your money back. And good luck to you, dude. I got 400 shares just in case this is true. Yeah, but Marvin, even if it is true, it might still rug pull. That's all I'm saying, dude. Not saying it will, but it's very suspicious that everyone already knows about this acquisition. Like, it really sounds like a sell the news event to me. And I don't even know anything about it, but that's just my first instinct. Crypto of options and leverage. That's right. Yeah, there are crypto options now. Not many places, but eventually, you know, I'm sure Robinhood will start adding them. And there is leverage, but no option, not too many options, but yeah. That is true. You can get over leveraged and lose all your crypto that way. Get liquidated. Forgot about that. So yeah. More degeneracy on Wall Street Bets. TEDU is a China education stock? Ruh-roh. I don't trust it then. Could be, sounds like a high risk, high reward play. So yeah, good luck to you guys on that. FDs are the best way to lose money? Yeah, for sure. and it makes great content. I don't recommend it, but it's what we love, right? All right, this one is by USPS Hub. They say went from eating steak to eating rocks. Ouch. So yeah, here's another graph of the portfolio. This is nuts. So it's $0, then it's like negative 25K. Then he actually climbed out of the hole. And I don't know how much he was up, but it seems like he was up a decent amount. Then goes right back in the red. Then goes minus 30,000. Minus 45,000. And now minus 76,000. I had another one here. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, SPY puts. Yeah, this guy went for SPY puts. And currently down 50% on those, 49%. Down over 25K. So yeah, here's another crayon eating ape. May I suggest you stop YOLOing on margin before... I don't think you can even pay this back, but... Yeah, may I suggest stop YOLOing on margin, dude. This is ridiculous. What are you doing? He's trying to gamble his way out of a hole, and he keeps putting himself more in the hole. I'm surprised that your brokerage didn't close your account yet, dude. I don't know what's going on here. How they let you do this. But, yeah. USPS Hub, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but great content here, dude. I love it. Yeah, dude, may I suggest, stop doing this. Stop YOLOing. And stop YOLOing on a margin. This is so stupid. And yeah, I hope you can climb out of this hole somehow. I don't know how you're going to do it, but I'm rooting for you, dude. So, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Hope you make your money back. Yeah, good luck to you, dude. It's a gamble, but can 3x my cash in a short amount of time? Yeah, high risk, high reward. Damn, that's so bad. Yeah, all of these are really, really bad. I don't know why these are, these posts are so popular today. The pure lost corn, the portfolio lost corn. All right, last one. This one is by Wall Street Bets Muskrat. They say, a friend never bet against America. SPY puts. All right, so, yeah. You have an account deficit of $79,000 and can't open new positions until this deficit is resolved. So, yeah, no plays to review here, but I don't know how you do this. Yes, I do. It's all the same thing. Stop YOLOing on the FDs. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You know, you go on Wall Street Bets and you just see all this stuff and you think that you're going to be the one guy who's smarter than everyone else. Nope.
Bruh.
So, yeah, you see everyone else losing money and you have this great idea. I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to print. And then what happens? And there goes $79,000. And look at this. He's 10th in line for a support call. So I think he's calling his brokerage here and being like, "Damn it, open my account. Don't liquidate me. Do not liquidate me. I don't care." Anyway, yeah, not sure not sure what exactly he did here, but I'm assuming it's YOLOing FDs on margin. So yeah, guys, if there's anything we learned today, stop YOLOing FDs and stop using margin. So, Wall Street Bets Muskrat, thanks for posting. Great content here. Sorry for your loss. Very disgusting, but hey, great stuff. I love it, dude. So, yeah, I hope you can learn from this. Please don't do this again. Stop YOLOing the FDs. Stop trading on margin. And, yeah, I hope you make your money back. And, yeah, good Good luck to you in the future, dude. Thanks for posting. I will pray for these YOLOs, man. These YOLOs, damn it, man. Yeah, they're all going to be working at Wendy's. He lost a lot of money, but do you see it? But do you see all of them damn Reddit awards? Yeah, that makes it a little better, right? At least you get karma. How much karma can you buy with all the money you lost? He needs to turn off his phone and blow on it, like old Nintendo 64 cartridges that will fix his account. Yeah, you just delete Robinhood. Whatever this is. I don't know if this is Robinhood. But just delete the app. It makes everything better. Yeah, just delete the app and restart. New save file. New game. Alright. So we'll finish up with some of these YOLOs that Low Roller wanted to look at. And let's get out of here, guys. So, yeah, finishing around 7 o'clock today. So, I see one here. Is there another one? Oh, here it is. Okay, okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at the new logo. Wall Street Bets Crypto. Oh, he's holding Ether. That's pretty cool. I like it. Alright. I accidentally turned $100 into $70,000 via Doge, and the New York Times wrote about it. So this is on PayPal? Well, if only we could all get this lucky, right? Yeah, if we all just put $100 in a Dogecoin back in the day, we'd all be rich right now. This is absurd. And just pure luck. Pure luck. Not much skill involved here. Just an ape that got lucky. Very jealous. Why can't I hit stuff like this? And we got this one. I broke my tib and fib and going in for surgery because I have been investing in Doge. The last year I'm able to pay the deductible. Thank you so much, Doge. You saved me on this one. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, here's an example of someone being financially responsible with their money. Invested in Dogecoin, made tendies, and, you know, when life gets you down and you need an emergency fund, rainy day fund, Dogecoin saves the day. So, yeah, this is the opposite of some of the other posts that we've been reviewing today. So, yeah, here's a bright spot. Glad this guy can afford his medical treatment. So, who would have thought? Dogecoin pays for your medical treatment. So, awesome, dude. Very happy for this guy here. All right, guys. So, that's it for today. Let's just check out some aftermarket action before we get out of here. So, I don't know what's up with AEE-CHAR, but that's pumping. And VTVT looks like it's running back up. And MDP. I don't know what MDP is. But, yeah, let's check this stuff out before we go. MDP. Okay, so there's speculation on MDP right now to get acquired, so that's why it's jumping. And what was the other one? Oh, damn. HLBZ is down to 2050. I should have held, dude. Should have held. HLBZ. Damn. What a clown I am. I covered at like 24, 25 or something like that. Yeah, I covered at 25. Damn it. It's down to 20 now. Oh my god. What? Clown on me. Literally, I was short on this yesterday, and I covered at 25. Now it's down to 20. What the hell? Clown on me. The guy bought Dogecoin on eBay. USA health insurance so expensive. We need to rely on Dogecoin to pay our bills. Yeah. Healthcare. Yeah, healthcare needs to. We need to redo our healthcare. We are behind on that. Greatest country in the world, but can't pay for healthcare. Ridiculous. Ecomai is going to be paying for my medical treatment here soon enough. Well, Marvin, not sure what's going on with you, but hope you're okay. And, yeah, man. Hoping for a speedy recovery, dude. Sorry to hear that. But I'm glad you're able to pay it down, you know, and not have to be in debt or anything. I hope Red Coin make a comeback for you and other crappy coin. Yeah, maybe, but I think I'm break even on Red Coin. I think I bought it for like, it was only $500, not that big of a position. And last time I checked, a couple months ago, it was still $500. So it hasn't gone anywhere in like 4 years. No clown, win is a win, can't go wrong taking profit. Yeah, that is true, Verbmaker. But I could have made 1,000 more bucks if I just held another day, right? Richest country in the world, there should be no homeless in the USA. Yeah, and 50% of the homeless lives in California. And New York City. And now they're living in Texas and Phoenix. Yeah, if only. Alright, guys. So we went for 3 hours here today. One of the longer shows, but it was a great show. A lot of people in here, a lot of regulars, a lot of new people. So I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you to everyone who came in early. A lot of people in here early. Thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really appreciate it. You guys are the real MVPs. And yeah, thank you for the show today. A lot of chat, a lot of interaction, a lot of talk. So I had a good time. Hope you guys had a good time as well. All right, anything else before we get out of here? No, I'm fine. I was just saying in reference to the last story we just looked at. Oh, all right. So good to hear. Yeah, I thought you had some medical problems. So I was like, damn, dude, that sucks. But yeah, glad to hear you're in great health. And yeah, and I hope your Ecomai bags are, I hope they pump and you make the tendies. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Oh, and I know I've been saying I'm going to put out the videos. Clown on me. I haven't been sticking to my word, but I have all the videos done from this week. The last 3 at least, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I just have to make the thumbnails now. I didn't get the chance to make the thumbnails. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to post these 3 videos tonight and hopefully get today's video up either tonight or tomorrow morning. So yeah, my apologies, guys, for slacking on the videos. It's been like 2 weeks since I put one out. Almost 2 weeks. So yeah, my fault. I'm going to get back on that. My apologies. All right. Let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Too late, you're fired again. How many times do I have to fire you for you to get it? I need to hire an editor. That's what I need to do. It's just this is too much, you know? I literally day trade from like 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., do the show, and then I gotta, edit at night. So it's a lot. It's a lot to handle. But yeah, my fault. Not making excuses. Sorry, Marvin. Yeah, you can fire me. Fire me again. All right. Yeah, hard work pays. It definitely does. I'm hoping eventually I can hit 1,000. Relatively soon, and I can start making money off of YouTube. That would definitely help. Because I'm doing YouTube for free right now. So yeah, hopefully I get monetized soon, and I can start accepting donations and make ad revenue and stuff. That would definitely help a lot. All right. So yeah, it's an investment in the show. So one day I will reap the rewards. But I just enjoy this. I just enjoy doing this for you guys. The community. I like hanging out. I like hanging out with you guys. So I do it for free. But eventually I like to get paid. All right. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.